Hello, and welcome to another edition of Math with Marcus. This question comes from Course 1, Chapter 2, and it's a problem about area. And it says, Lakeisha made a giant triangle using two pattern blocks, one green triangle and one red trapezoid. And it says, what is the area of the entire shape if the green triangle has an area of 1 square centimeter? So if the green triangle is 1 square centimeter worth of area, what's this red trapezoid here? And so I'm thinking, how many green triangles will fit inside of here? And we can actually draw them. If you kind of slide this triangle down, we can see that this would be perfect for one green triangle to go right here. And then we could have another green triangle right here. And then look at what we got here. We got another one that fits right in there. So if one of the green triangles is worth 1 square centimeter of area, then the entire shape is 4 square centimeters of area. The area is 4 square centimeters. Then the problem flips and it says, okay, well, what if the red trapezoid is now 1 square centimeter? So what if this is now 1 square centimeter of area? Well, we don't have 4 anymore, and we're just thinking, well, okay, if this is 1 square centimeter, how much more is this? And this is only, if we draw another one of these trapezoids, all right, that this triangle only represents 1/3. It's only 1/3 of that. We drew that, right? That if we brought this guy down, it's only 1/3. It's only 1/3 of that. So if we have one red trapezoid, and this is 1/3 of a trapezoid, then we've got 1 centimeter. We've got 1 and 1/3 square centimeters of area. All right, one here, 1 full trapezoid, and that's 1/3 of a trapezoid. So 1 and 1/3. All right, hope this made sense. Like my video or not. Thanks.